There are moments in the van lifer's life when he or she needs to remove a certain liquid from somewhere. I have only been through one of these situations I'll describe to you, but the principle is the same, and knowing how to deal with one is enough to know how to deal with the other, okay? So here are they. Situation number one, you are out of gas and you go to a gas station to refill the tank. Your van runs on diesel, but you were a bit careless and accidentally you poured gasoline in. Now you gotta remove the wrong fuel from your tank, otherwise your car will get damaged. Situation number two, you are driving to the top of a mountain, but your van cannot take that many uphills, so it overheats. For reasons I'm gonna explain in the next module, you will need to remove the water from your radiator tank to add new water. That way the car can go for a few more miles. Then again, sometimes it's just better to drive back and check the real issue behind the overheating in the first place. Anyways, both of these situations require removing a liquid like water and diesel from a tank. The best way to do that is to use a hose. It can be any kind of waterproof hose, to be honest, because basically what you will be doing is using it as a canal for the water to flow from the tank to the outside or to another tank. But how do you get the water to flow? Well, you put one end of the hose on the bottom of the tank and suck the air on the other end until you don't feel much resistance anymore. Now, while sealing the hole with your thumb, lower the hose as much as you can, release the hole, and watch the magic happen. Little side note, sometimes you will taste whatever liquid it is you are removing, but with practice you can kind of tell when that's going to happen and you can stop it before it does. Now, we use a gas hose for this, but that's because I have about 10 meters just laying around. But if I'm being honest, it's sort of an overkill, because you could just get a garden hose and you would be just fine. Make sure that you cut a piece that's neither too long or too short. 1.5 meters length is a great start. Now, to be honest with you, since we replaced our engine, not even once we had to use the hose for removing water from the radiator, and that's why I strongly advise you to consult a mechanic immediately if you notice your van is always overheating. And I'll see you in the next video.